Let's also get you the latest and everything that happened as the Prime Minister undertook a three-city visit to Pune, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad to review the COVID-19 vaccine development and manufacturing process across the country.
To ascertain the progress of vaccine development in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarked on a three-city tour. The first stop on the PM's itinerary was the Zydus Cadila Pharmaceutical Facility in Changodar Industrial Area, over 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Wearing a PPE kit, the Prime Minister reviewed the vaccine candidate, ZyCoV-D, which is in the second phase of trials.
The Prime Minister culminated his three-city tour, vaccine tour that he had gone on the entire day, starting from Ahmedabad in the Zydus Cadila facility, where he spoke to Pankaj Patel, the chairman of Zydus Cadila, and also several officials to understand where the vaccine process has actually reached for ZyCoV-D. And of course, from later on, he also went to Hyderabad to understand Bharat Biotech vaccine development process, the Covaxin, and the trials as to where it has reached.
The Prime Minister then flew to Hyderabad, visiting the Bharat Biotech facility, which is producing the indigenous Covaxin in collaboration with ICMR that is undergoing phase 3 of trials.
Now we will be seeing any sort of major announcement which will be made, then definitely it's going to be a big one from Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he was on a three-city tour. Now, for almost 1 hour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was at the Bharat Biotech and scientists there explained him and gave details of the Covaxin, which is on the third phase of its clinical trials.
At around 5 p.m., Prime Minister Modi reached the Serum Institute of India in Pune to review Covishield being produced in collaboration with Oxford AstraZeneca.
अब जहां वैक्सीन को लेकर बात करें, इस वैक्सीन के जहां पर कोविड-19 के सिचुएशंस हम ओवरऑल इंडिया में देख रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं जो है केसेस लगातार बढ़ते हुए जा रहे हैं। इसी को देखते हुए वैक्सीन की जो गंभीरता को देखते हुए और इससे पहले भी जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कई ऐसे देश को संबोधित करते हुए वैक्सीन को लेकर बातचीत भी की है, वहीं पर आज खुद जो है वैक्सीन के जो हब्स है, फिर चाहे अहमदाबाद में हो, हैदराबाद में हो या फिर महाराष्ट्र के पुणे में हो, और ये तीसरा टूर जहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि खुद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया पर पहुंचे हैं, जहां पर उनकी बातचीत जो है वैक्सीन कोविड वैक्सीन को लेकर जो है वो अभी फिलहाल जारी है.
Well, it will be distributed initially in India, of course, and then we'll look at the COVAX countries, which is mainly in Africa. The UK and the European markets are being taken care of by AstraZeneca and Oxford. If they need help scaling up with their manufacturing, we're always there to support them, but our priority is going to be India and COVAX countries first.
Whether it was a telephonic conversation with his UK counterpart to discuss the vaccine or a three-city tour, the Prime Minister is going all out to ensure that the vaccine reaches India soon and is available for every citizen. Bureau Report, Republic TV.